All right, question number 8, let's get right into it. So we have the average number of students per classroom at Central High School from 2000 to 2010 can be modeled by the equation y equals 0.56x plus 27.2, where x represents the number of years since 2000 and y represents the average number of students per classroom. Which of the following best describes the meaning of the number 0.56 in the equation? Okay, so let's go ahead and write it out. Y equals 0.56x plus 27.2. All right, guys, so if you recall from, I guess you can kind of call it dimensional analysis essentially, but the units on this side need to equal the units on that side, okay? So if our units right here for y is going to be the average number of students per classroom, then what that means is that 0.56 times x needs to have these units. So it should be average number of students per class, right? Okay, so if x is the number of years since 2000, so let's go ahead and I'll say 0.56, and then if x is number of years, or years since 2000, then I need 0.56 to have units that will cancel out these units right here and leave behind the average number of students per classroom, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. But basically what that means is that this 0.56 term, it needs to have average students, right? And then divided by number of years, okay? So let's go ahead and see the units that match most closely with that. So we have the total number of students at the school. Nope. The average number of students per classroom. No. The estimated increase in the average number of students per classroom each year. And then the estimated difference between the average number of students per classroom. Okay, so again, guys, this does not have the right units because it says difference, right? And this is not a difference. There's no subtraction. So answer choice is in fact going to be C, the estimated increase in the average number of students per classroom each year. All right, guys, hopefully that makes sense. This explanation might have been a little too complicated. I mean, conceptually, there's lots of ways to go about getting the right answer, but I just wanted to kind of show you why this has to be the right one, okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.